you. When I sneak back into bed and you said I love you. Now in this house, blood runs cold, secret codes. Oh, we know we gotta tear it all down, set it on fire, watch it burn to the ground. It kills us just a little, but a little's alright. 'Cause oh, it ain't forever. You'll find someone who loves you better. Yeah, find someone who loves you better. Babe, you'll find someone. Your friends will always like me, but I told you that you shouldn't listen. 'Cause picking wings off of angels has always been my religion. You've been sticking around far too long, and I've been running round, and it just feels wrong. We gotta tear it all down, set it on fire, watch it burn to the ground. It kills us just a little, but a little's alright. 'Cause oh, it ain't forever. You'll find someone who loves you better. Yeah, find someone who loves you better. Babe, you'll find someone. We gotta tear it all down, set it on fire, watch it burn to the ground. Kills us just a little, but a little's alright. 'Cause oh, it ain't forever. You'll find someone who loves you better. Whoa, babe, you'll find someone, yeah, someone who can love you better. Whoa, babe, you'll find someone.
I feel like new sunglasses, like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like 17. I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen, laughing. You take me right back when we were kids. Never thought I'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Brand new. I feel like a young John Cusack, like making big mistakes. I feel like for the first time in a long time, I am not afraid. I feel like a kid. Never thought it'd feel like this. Like Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think I'm touching the ground, yeah. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
Let me introduce you to the featherweight queen. She got Hollywood eyes, but you can't shoot what she's seen. Her mama was a dancer, and that's all that she knew. Cause when you live in the desert, it's what pretty girls do. I'm throwing caution. What's it gonna be? Tonight the winds of change are blowing wild and free. If I don't get out of this town, I just might be the one who finally burns it down. I'm throwing caution. I'm throwing caution. Never had a diamond on the sole of her shoes. Just black top, white trash, straight out of the news. Doesn't like birthdays, they remind her of why. She can go straight from 0 to the 4th of July. I'm throwing caution. What's it gonna be? Tonight the winds of change are coming over me. If I don't get out of this town, I just might be the one who finally burns it down. I'm throwing caution. I'm throwing caution. I'm throwing caution. I'm throwing caution. 'Cause it's some kind of sin to live your whole life on a might have been. I'm ready
They say it was truth that I was sold, but the trouble with truth is it just don't get old. There's a gravity to grace I can't escape, and the trouble with grace, it gives more than it takes. Yeah, I need grace that gives more than it takes. There's a wild fire that's burning in my soul, so baptize me in that fire and let me go. I can hear the silence calling me to leave behind what's dead and be born again. Oh, I need to be born again.
locked inside. I'm seeing colors that I've never seen. Yeah, black and white feels Oz absurdity. I can't live with eyes of certainty. There's a wildfire that's burning in my soul. So baptize me in that fire and let me go. I can hear the silence calling me to live. To leave behind what's there to be born again. Oh, oh, I need to be born again. I need to be born again. Leaving behind empty expectations, letting go of personas I've perfected.